Here are 3 slow-growing dwarf conifers to add a little bit of sunshine into a winter garden. This is Pinus contorta Chief Joseph, and it is a beautiful slow-growing conifer. Can get to be 6 feet, but takes very well to candle pruning as well if you want to keep it dwarf. Just an absolute gorgeous plant. It has green needles in the summer, and then in fall you have this wonderful gold foliage, so it really lights up your winter garden. This is Pinus Mugo wintersonne, another absolutely beautiful small conifer. Again, it can get to 6 feet. It's sort of a round conifer for your garden, a really wonderful focal point, especially in the winter. Green needles in the summertime, and in cold weather it golds up, which is absolutely beautiful. It also can take to candle pruning if you want to keep it smaller. This is Karstens winter gold Mugo pine. It's slow growing. It will be a little muffin top in your garden. Again, green needles in summer, and the colder it is, the golder it is. Absolutely gorgeous, about 2 feet tall and wide. Just a gorgeous addition to your conifer garden.